Good morning, beautiful. Down, down, down. Go. I was young. Mine was wonderful. With you by my side. You ain't yanking me around like a freak. 'Cause I got the seatbelt on you. Yeah, yeah. Beep, 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 boo. Justin, did do. Beep, 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 beep. Justin did do. Beep, 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 beep. Justin did do. What's up, players? Playing dogs in the high hills. Put the zapper back on because they were tearing up everything. Now they don't want to leave the house. They'll get used to it. You just have to go through that little learning curve again. Come on, guys. I'm talking about Clyde's double clones down there. I gave them free range to do what they want. Come on this way, guys. Come on, guys. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Come on. Don't cut me off. Don't cut me off. Down. Yeah. No yanking. Come on. You want to go for a walk? You better listen. Come on. You got all your yankiness out? Got all that yanky danky dinky dinky. Juju! Stop eating the chicken food. No! Leave the chicken food alone. Junior. Leave him alone, Juju. The rooster's getting around better today. Come on, guys. Come on. Watch out! This way. Chicken head is Folios. Come on, let's go for a walk.